Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities charting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. And you can see this long blue color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening. What we expected yesterday was, since the price had opened exactly as per our expectation, just above 5860 and above the high of the previous day 5870, we expected that crude will have some buying around 5860. We expected that yesterday was a very important day and there will be some buying happening around 5860. So we want to put a strong focus around the price action, what is happening around 5860. As you all know, we were expecting the price to continue in downtrend till 5920. As per our yesterday's analysis, we also found there is some continuous buying. We took this day, that the price action that happened on 29th of November as an example, and we made it very clear on 29th of November the price closed lower, but that is not the case. What happened yesterday. So initially we will be targeting selling in order to test the trend till 5920. We expected the price to be in selling. Initially we expected the price to test this 5920. If the price is going above 5920, we expect the crude will reverse its trend. So we advise all the clients to go for a reversal only after testing 5920. So there will be a strong price action above 5920. That was our clear expectation. If you have any doubt, go back to our yesterday's video analysis, which was a very long video analysis. Now let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, the price was trading just above 5880s. We know that was the high. The price was trading above the last 2 days high. So what happened? As per expectation, our charting tool also indicating there is something for buyers. So what happened is that there was a consolidation. Like us, so many traders want to see whether the price is taking some support around 5860 or not. So there was some resistance because we cannot take this 5920 easily. So the price came down till 5870s. Then there was a pullback towards 5900 zone. Again the price came down. You can notice there was a long consolidation above 5860, the key support zone. So there was a consolidation. Again the price came down. You know that the price was testing this 5860 again. From that the market picked the momentum and tried to test this 5920. By the same time, our charting tool also indicating there is something for buyers. So the price went and tested this 5920, and after that it had shown a strong price action above 5920. This gives an indication that the price had got some buyers. So there is some serious buying happened around 5890 that pushed the price to break 5920. Then after, see, you can see the price was getting a lot of buying momentum that pushed the price even till 6020. That is the best part in our charting tool, which always gives you a valuable indication whenever there is a key zone, whenever there is a consolidation, whenever it is quite difficult to identify the trend. So yesterday's first half, that was a consolidation as per our expectation. The price came down, tested 5860, then it decided whether to go down or continue its trend or to give a trend reversal. That is what always happen in any market. One thing is there will be a trend, then there will be a consolidation. The next part will be a continuation of the trend or the reversal in the trend. Yesterday what happened was the reversal in the trend. You can notice that price got a lot of buying momentum and the price went and shooted up higher. So everything went according to our plan. Now we want to make a few points about trading in particular. Say all of a sudden the market didn't change its trend. So it is a myth that within a few minutes or within a day the price can change its trend. It had provided us a lot of ample time to take a valuable trading decision, and we made it very clear in our video analysis also what are the possible outcomes you can expect in the key zones. So what we can do today, if we look at the open high low close analysis, yesterday's price opening was higher than the previous day's price opening. Here was the previous day's price opening, and the market had created a very big new high compared to the last few days, and it had not created any new low. The price closing was higher. Everything without seeing the price action itself, we can come to a conclusion. So there is a lot of momentum for crude oil, and the market gave a very big price action. So what we can do today, today's price opening is also going to be key and important. The expected price opening is going to be above 6020, which again gives us an indication still there is a momentum, and there is good momentum for buying. Everything happened at the bottom is because of pure buying. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today, there is no doubt in the trend. Market had reversed its direction. So what we will be doing is that we will be focusing on all the key supports. Since the price had moved more than 100 points from the expected key zone 5920, so what we can expect is that there are two things can happen. If the momentum for buying is very strong, straight away the price can shoot and target 5160, which is the expected target. How we are identifying this 5160? If you go back and see that, so the price had tested all these targets earlier. Just a minute, let us the chart be updated. Now what you are seeing is the price action that happened on 5th of November. In this particular contract, whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. So what happened on 6th of November? So the price came down till 5860. So that is the power. So we consider this 5860. Why we put a lot of focus on this 5860? We had made it very clear in our explanations also, and also in our weekly analysis. Now I want to explain it again. So after testing 5860, after there was a drop on 6th of November, suddenly the price, like what happened in the yesterday's market, cleared 5920 easily. It went and tested 5960, then it went and tested 5920. So this was the area what we are now witnessing in the price action, what happened in the yesterday's market. Our prime focus was what happened after that, because as a technical analyst we strongly believe the history repeats. We took this opportunity, and always as always in our video presentations, you can notice that we take all the price actions, the previous histories of chart, to explain you why we expect the price to move from a support or resistance, why we are focusing on key support and resistance zone. So now you can notice that after reaching 6020, the price went and tested 6060, then it came down. There was a consolidation and test towards 5960. There was a consolidation near 5000, 6000 and 6020 zones. After breaking this, the price took this 6060 as a support, then it went to 6120, and the highest point is 6160. This is going to be the next target zone for crude oil if the trend continues. Why? From 6020 the market found a resistance and dropped. From this point itself, we had seen whatever drop we witnessed in the last few weeks was from 6160. Since the crude oil price failed to go or move above 6160, the price fell down. Here also you can notice that on October 25th the price went and tested 6160. A failure to break this pushed the price down. So now let us see what we can do today. Now we are staying in this particular area. So it looks like what happened, what I showed you on what happened on November 6th and October 25th. So with the same price action we can expect. Two things can happen. Today is an important day because we have lot of fundamental news flashing today in the evening session, along with the crude oil inventory report also. So we can expect some good volatility for today. As per our expectation, based on NYMEX price direction, we are witnessing some higher opening also above the previous day's price closing. So the price will be taking some resistance around 6060 and you can expect some pull down. So this will be all the key support zone where you can go for buying. Whenever there is a drop, you can go for buying and buy on dips. Till what zone? 5920. Till this zone, now you can notice how we interchange our key zones. Like what we say, support and resistance interchanges itself. So now our focus will be till 5920. You can expect crude oil to continue in buying, having all these marked blue color lines as the major support zone, and the expected target is going to be 6160 if the trend continues to stay up. And we had provided a clear explanation why we are targeting these particular zones also. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.